Hey everyone, my name is Aman Kumar, and in this video we'll discuss what is off-page SEO, why it is important, and how to do off-page SEO. So this is basically a part 2 of my life project which I'm doing on a printer niche. You can go and watch my part 1. Let's start this video. So what is off-page SEO? As you know, off-page SEO simply tells Google what other things about your website. Very simple. In off-page SEO, it is like whatever you do outside of your website to improve your search engine ranking, that is your off-page SEO, or it is also known as off-site SEO, right? For example, if you have a lot of valuable links pointing to your pages, search engine will assume that you have get great content that provides a value for users. I get a lot of questions like, can I do only on page and still rank in Google, or can I do only off page and I still rank in Google? The answer is no. Both things are important. How and why both are important? Because when you try to buy a house, when you try to buy a place for your family, for yourself, you do not just go and see the entire building. You do not see like how strongly they have constructed this building, or how better quality of windows and the doors they have, but also you see the neighbor, right? You see the nearby area, you see the neighborhood, right? Is it clean or not? Is they have parks or not? They have hospitals nearby or not? They have schools nearby or not? So you're, and then you make a decision. So your outside area plus inside area both are important. Then you take a decision, then you buy that place, right? Same thing happen in Google, in search engine also. They do not just see how well you have maintained your website, but also they see what other people or what other website think about your website. By this way they understand the authority of your website. So let's talk about what are the ways or how to do off-page SEO for the website. So I have a 6 important off-page SEO methods that you can do for your website or for your brand. Although there have a lot of other methods also, but these are so popular. These are the most popular way you can do off-page SEO for your website. The first one is link building, or popularly known as backlink, right? We'll talk about this. What is link building? What is backlink? Let's talk about the second one first, which is like content marketing. What is content marketing? So the content marketing is like when you market your product, when you advertise your product, when you educate your customer via content, right? Or when you try to reach out to the customers, to the interested people who are interested in your industry, who are in the services, in your product, you reach out to them via content, right? Either you create a content, you create a video on YouTube, like you can see Netflix, they have a YouTube channel, they create contents, sometimes they create meme videos, right? And from there they try to get some extra customer. And if I talk about other content marketing strategies, like creating a blog, and where you talk about your brand, you post a new updates about your brand or the product. And not just this, you go on a different social medias, you go to forums, you go to Reddit, you go to Quora, you answer related to your product. For example, if I go to Quora, and in the Quora you can simply search about anything. I'm gonna search Paytm. Okay. Now, Quora is a kind of website where people come and put their questions, their queries, and other people on the same platform answer their query. But you can see the company Paytm also created their profile, right? Let me show you. If I go to their profile, I can see they have answered 138 questions, right? So someone asked what is the eligibility criteria for Paytm credit card. If I open this one, now you can see someone asked a question like what is the eligibility criteria for Paytm credit card, right? You can see the Paytm itself, the company created an account here on the Quora.com. They put the answer, what is the eligibility criteria for their service, for their product, right? And other people are also putting the answer. But yeah, also you can see Amazon Global Selling, the company itself created their account in 2021 on Quora, and they have answered on a different questions people are asking on this platform. So yes, these are the things that you take as a content marketing strategy. You create content via blog post, via video, via podcast, or you just join these kind of forum pages, question answer pages, and you just put your answer there to try to aware them, right? Now the second thing is content marketing, which we have covered. The third one is social media. What is social media? I think everyone knows what is social media. You just have to go there, create an account for your company, put your company profile, link in the bio, and you just have to start advertising. You start posting about your brand. Let's suppose I have a digital marketing agency which is called uniquecircle.com. I'll create a social media account and I will post about best ways to do digital marketing. I'll create best way to do social media marketing, and then I will just create a post like, we do this thing for any agency. If you want to hire us, just contact us. It is just like, I do not want to let go any customer from any platform. If I'm getting customers from Google, right, I will not let go my customer who are on the Instagram or who are on the Facebook. I'll create an account there and I'll start creating content on Facebook also, Instagram also, Twitter also, to get customers from that platform, right? That is the main motive of off-page SEO. You want to get more customers, more users, more visitors to your website from different sources. You do not want to let go a single source. For example, you started a business, let's suppose a clothing business, and you have this shop in a street A, right? And nearby people in a street A, they already know about your store. They come and they buy from you. But let's suppose there is only 50 people, and out of 50, like 20-30 people come and shop from your store, right? But what if you want to get some more customer? What you will do, you will advertise about your shop in other street also. Maybe you will go to street B, street C, or a nearby area, and you put a hoarding there. You advertise there like, we have a new shop opening and we are running a sale on a Christmas. You can buy one shirt and get one shirt free, etc, etc. And now you start getting some extra customer from street B and street C. So that is the main motive of off-page SEO. Right now, via on-page SEO and other SEO, I'm getting customer from Google. But via off-page SEO, people think like off-page SEO is only about building backlinks, which is not true in my opinion. Off-page SEO is a wide term that is more than what people think. So people think like off-page SEO is only about link building, creating a backlink, doing guest post, etc, etc. No, when you advertise about your brand on a different platform, that is also counted as off-page SEO. The fourth one is local SEO, or you can see GMB, Google My Business. Now what is local SEO? Local SEO is something, if I show you, if I search unique circle, you can see there's a section here on the right hand side. It says unique circle, a website, direction and save. This is the address, the phone number, and everything is here, and the website address also. People come and post a review here, right? So what is this? This is a business profile by Google, right? So also it will help you to list your business on a Google Maps, right? In Google Maps, if I click on Google Maps and if I want to search this location, if I want to go to this company, I can simply search this location on Google Maps. I can click on direction and I can get to any location. Let's suppose this one, and from here I can visit to this location very easily, right? So that means my business is now listed on Google Maps. Anyone can search about digital marketing agency near me, restaurants near me, right? So this is the first case of scenario I'm showing you. You can do it for anything. If you have a client for a restaurant business, if you have a client for, let's suppose, school, they want to run the school, right? Something like this, or an institute, or any course based institute, or a mall, or something like that. So this is how you create a GMB profile, right? To create a GMB profile, it is very easy. What I will do, I will create a separate video about it, how to create Google My Business profile, because this video will be too long. I do not want to integrate this part in this same video. I'll create one more video. Make sure you're gonna subscribe my channel, and we will see a walkthrough video, a step-by-step guide how to create this thing for your company or for your business, very simply. So this local SEO is also very important. With the local SEO, you get an option to put a link. If people search about digital marketing services, they're gonna see your profile on the top, right? Which is a good thing. Now reviews are also very important part of off-page SEO. Doesn't matter you get a good review on a GMB or not, you have to make sure on any platform. Or let's suppose you have a business listing platforms like IndiaMart, Just Dial, Trustpilot. You go to those websites, you create an account there, and you make sure you get a very good reviews matters in 2023, right? People first see the review and then they buy the product. Same thing applies on Amazon also, which is the biggest e-commerce company in the world. So when you buy something from Amazon or Flipkart, you first see the review, you see the ratings. If the ratings are not good, you will ignore the product. So make sure you have a very good rating. Just try to make a good reputation in the Google. All this ratings and reviews are very important, right? The last one is events. You can organize an offline or online event. You can just invite like-minded people. You can invite similar people who are similar to your industry. You can ask them to collab with you. You can just post something new on their website, etc., etc. You can do tie-up with each other, right? So these things are called off-page SEO, and there are other method also that is also counted as off-page SEO that you can do very simply. But this video is all about the practical session, so I want to show you some practicals. Before I show the practicals about backlinks and link building and other strategies, let's first understand what is backlink actually. So let's talk about backlink. What is backlink? Very simple. When website A gives a link to website B, that is a backlink, right? Or known as a link building, right? Now what happened with the backlink is you gain authority. After gaining authority, it increase the trust of your website in the eyes of Google. So how this backlink thing work? Let me show you. If I give you a practical example, so this is our website where we are doing a practical video about a printer. So if I just open the first post, you can see I have this article, and if I go down, I can see a link here, right? A link I can see, it says Canon PIXMA TS207. Now let's see what will happen if I click on this link. If I click on this link, it sent me to a different page but on a same website, right? This is called internal linking, and I have explained this topic in a part 1 of this video. If you have not watched it, the link in the description, go and watch the part 1 video. So this is called internal link. Now what is an external link? External link is, if I go back on this page again, right, and from here let's suppose, okay, there's a one more link. It says connect Canon printer to Wi-Fi. If I click on this link, it send me to a different website. On this website you can see this is a official Canon website, manual.canon. something, right? So there is a method if you want to wireless connect your printer. What are the methods? These are the methods, these are the steps. So this is called external link, right? For me it is an external link, and for this website who's getting the link, it is a backlink for this website. That means my website is giving a backlink to this website Canon. This is what a backlink is, right? So backlink is when you create a link, when you put a link of your website on a different website, and from there someone click on that link, they come to your website directly. That is a backlink. Very simple. Now why it is important, how it is important, you know that backlink more works like authority and the trust. It is like Google see that backlink as a trust, right? So they count it as a, the more website start talking about your website, the more they're gonna trust your website. It is like linking the website back to your website. For example, let's suppose there is a website and you talk about, let's suppose, toys, like kids toys, etc., etc. There's a one more website, they do the same thing, and from there they put a link like, if you want to buy the toys, you can go to this website. This website has this very amazing collection of toys. Click here, go to this website, and when they click on this website, they directly come to my website. That is a backlink. Now let's talk about what is do follow and no follow backlink. The do follow backlink means the bot, the crawler of a Google or any crawler on the internet will follow that link. Simple. And no follow means they do not follow that link. They will not follow that. So how does these things work? Very simple. If I show you this website, let's suppose I'm reading this article, right? I'm reading this article, I clicked on this link, they will send me to a second page, right? This means if Google come to the same page, they read the content, what this page is all about, they click every single link they find on this page, and when they click on this link, they go to a different page, they start analyzing this content also. So this is do follow. And the benefit of do follow is like, basically your motive is to rank high in Google. To rank high, you want to first show your website, then they see your website and they approve it. Once they approve it, they save your website in their database. So next time someone searches about Canon printer, they're gonna show your website. This is what you want. So you get a referral from a second website, right? Let's suppose this is a Canon website, they want to get a backlink, they get a backlink from my website. And if I give them a backlink, the Google knows them little bit, they are new something, but they know me since 2 years. I have this website for last 2 years, so they already trust me. And if they click on this link, they go to this website, now they will start trusting this website little more, because I referred Google to go to this website and I trust this website. That is a do follow backlink, right? It is just like I want to buy a fridge. For me, I will ask my friend, hey bro, do you know some store where I can just buy a good fridge? I want to buy an electronic item. So my friend will say, yeah, I know a store and I know them personally, and I bought a fridge from them 2 years ago and it is working completely fine. They have this very good call support, so just go there and buy a fridge for you, and they have this amazing customer service. Then this thing will increase my trust for that shop. Now I was not expecting, right? I was not trusting that store, but after he described like he has the good experience when he bought the fridge and they have very good customer support, I have a little more trust now for that shop owner. I'll go and buy from them. Same thing happened with a do follow. When someone puts a do follow backlink on their website for your website, you gonna get a trust from that website to your website. Okay, same thing will apply on Google also. The Google bot will come, they will see a do follow backlink, they're gonna trust your website, they're gonna click on that link, they're gonna come to your website, they start scanning your website too. The more they come from a different website location to your website location, the more you get that trust. Very simple. Now, no follow backlink. So what is no follow backlink? No follow backlink are those backlinks where you put a link on your website and you tell Google, like, I do not trust this link, I just put this link, maybe I found this article very relevant, very good, I'm just putting this link, but I do not know them personally. It is just like I ask my friend, do you know someone, some store or some people or some friend of yours who sell fridge so that I can buy? So he will suggest me like there is a store in the nearby the town, right? You can go there, you can buy from them. I heard about them, they are good, but I have not personally experienced it. So I'm just suggesting you, but not giving you 100% trust in that particular shop. Same thing happened with the Google. If Google bot will come to your page and they click on this link, you mention them like, this is not a do follow backlink, this is a no follow backlink. I put this link on my website, but I do not trust that website. So Google will not follow that link, right? So do follow means if they click on a do follow backlink, the bot will go to your website, they will follow that link where it goes, and they start scanning your website also. And no follow backlink means they will not click on that link, they will not go to your page. If they do not go to your page from a different location, you do not get any extra trust on your website from the Google. Now the question is, can normal user can detect or find a difference in the both link? The answer is no, right? A simple user cannot find the difference between these two links. How and why? Let me show you. Let me see if I have any practical example here. So let me open this one. Now this one is a do follow backlink, right? You can see this is a link. If I click on this link, it goes to a different page. Let me go back, and now if I go down, let me see, I have one more link, maybe this one. Yes, this one. This is going to a different website, complete different website. Now let's see this one. If I click on inspect, now you can see it says REL is equal to no follow. So this link is no follow, and this looks very, very similar to the normal link. So this is a no follow backlink, and that above one, this one, you can see, or maybe this one, this link is a do follow backlink. You can see there is no REL is equal to no follow option here, as you can see. That means this is not a no follow backlink. If you cannot find any REL is equal to no follow tag, that means it is not a no follow back. It is automatically a do follow backlink, because there's no relation I'm putting, right? But on this link especially, I put an option that this is a completely no follow backlink. So for a normal user, they cannot find out if the link is no follow or do follow. But for Google, so this no follow tag, do follow tag is only for the bots, for the Google, so that they can understand if that link is trusted or not. So this is the difference between do follow and no follow backlink. Now let's talk about different ways to create backlink. So there are many ways, like 100 type of you can create a backlink, but I'm going to talk about few very popular methods how to create a backlink. As a beginner, you can follow these things and start creating backlink for your website. So the first one is organic link. What is organic link? When you get a backlink without asking them, without paying them a money, without approaching them, they just simply put your link on their web. Now what is organic backlink? Let me show you. So I put this link of Canon website on my website, and I'm giving them a backlink, right? I'm giving them a backlink which is completely organic. They did not ask me to put their link on my website. That is completely organic. Or if I show you one more example, you can see this is a website called prnewswires.com, and they posted this article about internet user more likely to share long form content, new study by BuzzSumo and Backlink of Finds, right? You can see they started this content. So this is a research something, and they mentioned like this is the BuzzSumo marketing data analytics something like this, and you can read the full case study from this website, which is a complete different website from this one. This is a prnewswire.com, and if I click on this link, it sends me to a different website called Backlink, who actually did this case study, and they're covering this topic here, right? So this is called organic backlink. So how to get an organic backlink? Very simple. Try to create a very good content. It should be trusted. It should have some good case studies. It should have some good content, some knowledge. This is just in a scenario one. You can see like if one news company get exclusive news, other news company follow the same thing. They start saying like, according to the Hindu, according to this indianexpress.com, this is the news, this is the thing happening, this is the data in the election, etc, etc, and they put the link of the website or the source website. That is called getting an organic link. That is what Google prefer, but everyone cannot get this thing. They cannot just sit down and relax and just wait for years to get someone put the link on their website. So there are other methods that you can follow to create a backlink for your website. Is the most popular one, the most recommendable one is guest post. Now what is guest post? Guest post means posting on a different website as a guest. You cannot post your article on different website. You are not the owner of that website. So you ask them, you become a guest, and you write an article for them for free. Let me show you how does it work. Simply, if I so this is a website, right? So you can see there is an option called write for us, right? If I click on this write for us, so they have this section. This is not, let's suppose this is not your website and you want to post an article there. What you have to do, simply you can just contribute. You can simply contribute to any other website B, let's suppose, right? So for me, let's suppose this is a website called miamistateattorney.com. Here you can see there's a section called write for us. You can write an article for us. And why should I write an article for you, not for my website? Is in return they will give me an option to get one do follow backlink on their website. And this is what we want to get a backlink, right, from this website. What is the trade here? Very simple. You come to our website, right, and if you have any good keyword, a very good article related to these niche or these categories, right? We do not accept any post about technology, about reviewing a product or something like this. But if you have any topic, any article, a good article related to these topics, you can simply mail us here, right? And in return, what I will do, I will just post that article on my website for free. I'll not pay you any money for that article, but in return, I will just give you a backlink from my website, right? So this is called guest post backlink, right? Now how to get guest post website? Let's suppose you have a technology website, right? A tech website you have, and you want to get a backlink from another tech website, right? Always try to get a backlink from your related category. My topic is all about printers, technology. I will not go to a legal website. I will not go to any website that sells a CPU, that sells mobile phone, and get a link there. Or I will not go any medical website where they talk about disease, case studies, medical studies, and I'm getting a link from there, and my website is all about technology website. It should be related. When you get a backlink, try to make sure that particular website from where you are getting a backlink, it should be related to your category. It is very important. So how to find out these websites? Because not everyone provide you this option to write for them for free, right? So how can you find those websites? Very simple. There is a tool, very famous tool, very popular, free of course. It will help you a lot. The name is Google. Just go to Google and search whatever category you are working on. So I'm working on a printer category, a technology kind of a category, hardware category. I'll simply type in Google technology site guest post, something like this. I'll get lots of website link here. I'm gonna open the websites and I will get a lot of websites here. So Forbes is here. I can also do a guest post on Forbes, but the Forbes is so big. They have the high DA. If you don't know what is DA, what is PA, what is domain authority, page authority, you can watch my part 1 of the video, right? So you have this list of websites, and let's suppose let's see the second one. This one maybe. If I open this website, let's see, newsbox.7. Now this is a website. Let's see. Okay, at the footer you can see there is an option called write for us. I'm gonna click on this one. So this is a page. It says write for us your ideas and your thoughts, right? So this is the page, and in return we are open for guest post to accept multiple category related to your blog niche. You will get one do follow backlink on your website or a home page in return, right? So what you have to do, simply you have to write in any article on home improvement, business, finance. So they accept multiple niche, right? So if you have any website in any niche, in fashion, in reviews, in technology, you can simply just go to this website, go to this guest post option, right? And in return what they will give you, they'll give you exposure on this blog. They put your article on their website. They will feature you for free. Your content will be shared on social media profiles, right? So they have social media profile and they will share your content on social media also. You just have to follow the guidelines. So what are the guidelines for the guest post? The article must be original. It should not be published anywhere else. It should be original, not copied from somewhere, or you have not just pasted the same content on your website. Now you're trying to approach them with the same content. No, the article must be related to this blog niche. So they have these categories that they are following on this website. They talk about insurance, finance, business, education, real estate, technology. If you have any topic related to any of these topics, you can just approach them. An article should be at least 800 to 1000 words long. It should be at least 800 to 1000 words long, right? So you have to follow these things, and once you follow these things, you can simply mail them the article. You can put your name, email, subject, phone number, message, and click on send, and they will just simply approach you and they will ask you if they want some improvement on the article or not, and they will ask you for the link. They'll post it to their website, and this is how everything works. And this is how you can find lots of websites that accept guest posts. You can see businessfundas.com is here, popularmechanics.com is here. Just pick any website, right? And not just technology website. Let's suppose your website is all about maybe kitchen product, right? Now you can see that we have some website here, primochef.it. So this is an Italian website and they are talking about foods, right? And if I translate it into English, let's see if they have. Okay, so who we are option they have, contact us, or if I just try to open a different page maybe. Okay, um, now you can see this is a appliance website, kitchen appliance and other appliances, and they have this option come and write for us, right? You can come and do a guest post on this website. How to submit? You can fill this form, right? Within 2 or 3 weeks, something like this, they will notify you. Benefit of writing is your post will be featured on the website for lifetime. Gain a valuable backlink to help your website gain traction with the search engine, right? So you can find any category of website for guest post website, right? So these are the way that will help you to create backlink on your website. Let me close all of them. Okay. Now let's talk about Web 2.0. What is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 are micro blogging platform, you can say. Some websites will help you to create a blogging platform very easily to launch your first blogging platform. You can go and create all the Web 2.0 profiles, Web 2.0 website, and put your link there. Now how to do this? Very simple. Go to Google and simply search Web 2.0 backlink lists, and you will see hundreds of them. Hundreds of them. So we have blogger.com. You can go to blogger.com, and wordpress.com is there, Wix is there, Weebly is there, right? Tumblr is there. So I'm gonna show you a few of them. Very simple. You can go to first blogger.com, right? Blogger.com is official blogging platform by Google. When you go to blogger.com, you have this option where you can create a new blog. You will see a screen just like this. It will ask you the title of the new blog you want to create. So I'm going to put the title about printing tips 2023, something like this, right? And I'll click on next. So it is asking me for the address, a free address, printing tips 2023, and it says the blog address is available. But if I use some common name like printing tips or something like this, it will give me an error like, sorry, this blog address is not available. It is just like a username. Maybe someone else already used this name, so you cannot use it again. So you can just have to make some changes here. I'm gonna put 2023 and I will click on, now this one is available. I'll click on save. Now when I do this thing, it will create a blank section like this, and I have this option called view blog. If I click on this view blog, you can see you have created a successfully a blog, a website, a live website where you can just post anything you like, right? You have done nothing, no a single code you have written here, no hosting you have to buy, no domain you have to buy. Now you have this website live and running. Now if I go to the post option, I can add a new post, and from here I can add a new post, right? So simply I will take help of ChatGPT to write me an article. How to reset a printer. Markdown to HTML. Let's copy this article, paste it here, and I will paste it here, right? Let me remove this thing. I will put my title here, click on publish, confirm, and now we have this article. Now if I click on view blog, I can see that yes, I have a new article on my new website. This is a new website. I have this article. Now if this is my website, a secondary website, I can put a link here for my main website. For example, I'm gonna put a link on maybe reset a printer. Maybe on this one, I'll just add a link. How to reset a Canon printer. I'll copy this link and I'll just give a backlink to this main website, to my main website from this secondary website. and I'll click on apply and update. Now if I refresh this page, you can see a link is here, and this website says printingtips2023.blogspot.com, and if I click here, it sends me to a different page, which is my money website, right? So this is how you can create a web 2.0 profile. Also, I'm going to show you one more step via WordPress. Go to WordPress, sign up here, very simple. Once you sign up, you'll see an option like this, and you can create any website. So I have this option to add a new website, so I'm going to search a new website, printing tips for home. Right, now you can see we have multiple option. I can select a domain, right? It will charge me 300 or something, but I'm gonna go with the free one, this free one. I will select the free one. I'll click on continue, and I will still select the free version. I do not want to pay something. I'll click on free, and I want to write and publish some articles. I do not want to sell something. I'll click on continue. My site title is printing tips for home. Learn how to use your printer in efficient way. Continue. Writing a new blog post content, and from here now we have this option to post an article here on this new website also, and I'm still gonna take help of ChatGPT. How to fix paper jam issue, right? And you don't have to put only single article. Try to use that web 2.0 website as a normal website. Try to post that content every day or every week or every month. Try to post at least 50-60 blogs on there, right? And after that, when it indexed successfully and when you put your main website link there, it helps you a lot. This way you do not have to rely on guest post, right? In guest post you have to find good website, you have to email them, you have to do keyword research for them, and then you have to write a very good content, and then you have to wait for their reply. Maybe they will ask you some money, right? They will ask you to pay some fee to post on their website, right? So the problem is you cannot wait. So these are the things which will help you to create a backlink quickly, right? So these are the things that will help you to create a basic backlinks that will boost your website little bit. Then you can start relying on a guest post and other methods. I'll copy this article and I'm going to paste it here. Let's add some images also. I'll go to feature images, set a feature image, and let's search printer. Insert the image and publish the content. View the post. Now you can see this is the article now published successfully on a different website. The website name is printingtipsforhome.wordpress.com, right? So this is a website. If I go to the home page, you can see this is the home page, and also I can put a link here. If I open this article and if I edit this post, and I can put a link on this website for my main website. And I'll put a link of my website. I'll click on update. Now you can see this is an article on a different website, and if I go down, I can see there is a link. If I click on this link, it sends me to my website, right? me refresh this one. Now we have this printer link. If I click on this link from this website, it is going to my website. So now I'm getting one more backlink. The one is from this one, printingtips.blogspot.com, and another one is from this one. Now this is only the two examples I have shown you, but you have hundreds of them, right? You can create hundreds of them. Let me show you the list. Now you can see you have hundreds of websites like wordpress.com. You go and create an account on tumblr.com, blogger.com, livejournal, wix, weebly, blogspot, right, zoho.com, sites.google.com, right, medium.com is also very famous. I'm gonna show you. Just go to medium.com and just create an account here. Go to medium.com and create an account here. They're also kind of a platform where you can post your blogs, right? So I'll just click on sign in because I already have an account. You can create a new account. Simply go and create a new account, and from this section you can create a new post. At the top you can see there's an option called write. You can write an article. If I click on write section, you can see there's a write option where you can post an article on this website called medium.com for free, right? So for that I will just take help of ChatGPT again. But I will not recommend you to use ChatGPT content everywhere, right? Try to write the article by your own. It should be engaging, it should be good, it should be effective, and make sure you are providing a good value, right? Because if you are posting some random content just to get a backlink, it will not give you any profit, right? Simple. So I will just take help of ChatGPT again because I want to save some time. I cannot write an article here in the video, so I'll simply ask him to write an article about and I will paste the article here. Right, now while I put this content, I can use a link for my website. I can simply, and I will just add this option to put a link, and I will just give a link to my home page. Let me go back to this, and I'll paste a backlink here, and I'll click on publish at the top. Publish now. Publishing the story. Now it is available, right? Your story is published, right? I can simply try to open in a private mode, and anyone in this world can see my website posted by me. This is the article that I posted on this website. The website name is medium.com. This is not my website. Plus I put my link there. If I click on this link, it sends me to my website, right? So now I'm getting one more backlink. Now I have created 3 backlinks. Now you have hundreds of them, hundreds of these type of website where you can go and create a website and post your link there. You will start getting hundreds of free backlink. Right now you do not have to rely to anyone. Once you start getting all of these links, your domain authority will increase from 10 to 15, and now you can approach any website and they will see your website. You have little bit authority, like 10 to 15 domain authority. They'll give you option to put an article on their website. So this is how you do guest post backlink. Now if I talk about comment backlink, now this is very controversial because nowadays comment backlinks are not working. Why? Because people spam a lot, right? What is, first of all, let me tell you what is comment backlink. When you create a backlink in the comment section of other website, maybe they do not have option for guest post, maybe you cannot contact them, maybe they are not replying to your emails, right? They do not want to collaborate with your website or with you. So you go in the comment section, you put a link there. How to put link in the comment section? Very simple. Now as you can see, there is a website, right? This is a website, and if I want to put a link, maybe not here, maybe on this one, So there's a website called blog.olacabs.com. This is an official website, official blog of Ola website, right? So you can see there's an option to comment, right? I cannot collaborate with Ola directly, right? They are a big brand. They will not reply to my mails, right? But they have posted an article about something, right? Now they have this comment option. In the comment section, I can post a comment and put my website link secretly. How can you do this? Simply just type anything. Amazing post. Thanks for the info. Something like this. Put your name, email, and in the website section, make sure you're gonna put your website URL there. That's it. And click on post comment. When I post the comment will be visible on the website with the link. So I have this comment, right? Amazing post, thanks for the info, and on my name I put my link. So this is a website called blog.olacab.com, and with the comment I put a link. Now if Google come to this page, they will click every single link. They're gonna find out, and they're gonna find out my link, and once they find out, they're gonna click on this link. When they click on this link will send the bot to my website, and this will increase the authority because they trust on Ola Cab website, and now they will start trusting me or my website little more. But this is what the comment backlink is, and this is how you can create a comment backlink. But nowadays comment backlinks are so spammed, right? And Google hates it because if any website allowing you to put in comment, the chances are they will manually, the comment is awaiting moderation, right? They will just review your comment and then they will approve it. Right now it is visible, but once they find out, they want to delete your comment. If they find out you're trying to create a link, or if that website accept your link without any approval, without anything, the chances are other people are also coming to that website and creating a backlink. For example, so this is a Google travel blog, official Google blog, travel Google blog, right? And they posted this article, right? And in the comment section, you can see 404 comments, and everyone is talking awesome work, something. I'm planning to go to this one. Thanks, nice trip, something. I'm planning to go to this one, and they are secretly putting a link there. As you can see, a Mumbai to Bali, they put a link. This person called Roshan Mishra, they put a link. He put a link here. And today he created this backlink today at 4 a.m. right? If I click on this link, it sends me from the Google travel blog to his website called akbartravels.com, right? This website. Now they are getting a link via comment. And there is one more website, and this website says I'm planning to go somewhere. This is the link they have put secretly. If I click on this link, it sends me to a different website. They have, I think, a slow website. But if I click on this link, change by bus or flight, let's see if it is working or not. So this one is working. It says ubltravels.com, right? It is loading, still loading, right? You can see other people are also doing the same thing, right? And not just the travel, but also people are talking about sell my car website, right? Car ads. They are just putting different ads here, right? If I just see daily UK news, someone post the link here, daily UK news. The news website link is also here, right? Car selling website is also here, as you can see. A different language website is also here. So if you create a link here, the Google will not give you any benefit, because if Google come to this page again, they click on every single link, this one, and every single link, this one, they find out 400 comments, and out of 400 maybe 300 people are putting their website link here. It is just like I ask my friend for a good shop, for a good store where I can buy a fridge, so he will point it to any good store, like you can go to that store, that is the amazing one, they have the good reputation, they have very good customer service, and I will trust it. But what if my friend suggests me 400 options, like you can go to this one, now I will be completely confused, and I will trust no stores out of 400, because he did not mention which one is the best out of them. They just told everyone is best, every 400 store in the city is very best. I'll still be confused. Same thing, do not create a link if other people are creating a link on the same page and you find more than 10 backlinks there. Do not create a backlink there. Simple rule. This is my personal rule. I do not create a link on any page where I can find other people are also able to create a link there. We have one more option to create forum or a profile backlink. Now what is a forum or profile backlink? Is when you go to any forum website and you create a link there. For example, I found out this list of forums on this website, and from here you can see we have lots of forum website links. You can open any of them, and I open this website called Chef Forum here, and just go and create an account. You just have to create an account. I have already created an account. Once you create an account on a forum website, any forum kind of website, simply go to any topic which is interested or which is related to your website, right? Let's suppose you have a chef website or cooking website, cooking recipes you post, right? What you can do simply is you can just go to forums like this, and once you go there, simply just find out a relevant topic, maybe foods and cooking. I'm gonna go. So people are asking questions about small dessert menu idea, something like this. Pen size. If I open this one, you can see people are answering this query. Someone asked this query and people are answering to each other. It's just like a social media, an old social media, right? And also, while just putting this answer, people also put links on that answer. For here you can see it is a website from bbcgoodfood.com. If I open this link, it sends me to a different website called bbcgoodfood.com, right? So this is how you can put a link also on that forum. Now how to put the link? Very simple. Just find the comment option and write the answer. The answer should be good, right? If people like the answer, they will approve your comment. So I'm gonna write anything. For example, and anywhere I'm gonna put a link. Maybe increase sales. Here I'm gonna put a link of my website. I'll put insert a link. I'll put the URL of the website, https://.com. Click on insert. Now I put this link here. Now this is completely irrelevant website. My website is technology website, and I'm using this form where people talk about foods, not printers, not technology. But this is just for an example. You can see the list of forums. So this one is an active forum. I just want to show you. You can just find a relevant forum and you can just post a comment there. I'm just trying to show you how to create a forum backlink. That's all. I'll delete this comment. I'll delete this forum. I'll delete this comment once I complete this session, right? I'll click on post reply. All right, I do not have permission to view this page of function, something like this. Let me see why is that. Maybe I have this new account and they are not allowing me to post the comment. Okay, maybe I want to confirm first. Let me confirm my email. Okay, now it is confirmed, registration complete. Now if I click on post reply, now it is waiting for moderation. As you can see, now you can see that my comment is here, right, by this name, and my link is also here. If someone clicks on this link, it will send from this cheftalk.com website to my website, right? So this is how you get a forum back. Now we have one more type of backlinks like PDF, video, or image sharing backlink. Now what are these backlinks? When you upload a video on YouTube, you put your link in the description. That is how you're doing off-page SEO. You're doing marketing on a video platform. You're putting a video about your brand. Also, you're putting a link there, right? So that is also a part of off-page SEO. Same goes for image sharing website. Same goes for video sharing website. Same goes for PDF sharing website. Right, you can find PDF sharing website like SlideShare. People go and upload PDF there. You can put a link there also. Image sharing website like Pinterest, and a lot of other websites are there. I'm going to show you one example. Go to pinterest.com. You can see I will log into this pinterest.com. I already have this account. Go and log into Pinterest, right? And you will see a lot of ideas, right? You can see a lot of ideas, right? For example, I will show you. this one. So someone put this image on this platform and they are showing the best camera for vloggers, beginner to advanced. This one is for beginners, a budget friendly and not budget friendly, something like this. And they put this description and the title, and if I click on this image, it sends me from pinterest.com to this website. It sends me, after opening this page, it sends me to this website from pinterest.com to this website, right? And here you can see the whole article. Right now this person get a new visitor from a different platform. I was on a Pinterest and I clicked on this page. I was interested to read about it, and when I click on this image, it sends me to this website. Now I'm getting one more backlink from image, kind of a backlink I'm getting from here, right? If I try to open the profile, let me see. You can see someone posted travel photography top 10 cameras for beginners, and now if I click on this image, it sends me to a different website called photozippers.com. so kind of a image social media it is. You can upload image with the link, and I will open this profile, the person who uploaded this image, to get a backlink from this website. If I open their profile, I can see there is an option, it says 468.7k monthly views. That means 4 lakh views this person is getting on his Pinterest profile. Now let's suppose this person have a website. The website name is, I think this one, it says camera for beginners, like photozippers.com. so they post article about it, right? Okay, very good, excellent affiliate website it is. So let's suppose he's getting like 10,000 views or maybe like 50,000 views from Google. Now he start doing marketing outside also. He start doing off-page SEO. From social media also he's getting little bit traffic. From backlink also he's getting little bit traffic. And from Pinterest he's getting 4 lakh extra monthly traffic. And out of 4 lakh, maybe not everyone is going to his website. Maybe like 10%, 20%, 30% extra person is going to their website. So out of 50,000, extra 30-40,000 he's getting is from this platform, pinterest.com. so this is how powerful the Pinterest is. I will upload a separate playlist, I will upload a separate course, a free complete course about Pinterest. How can you increase your site ranking, how can you increase your views, how can you increase your leads, your sales with the help of Pinterest, and how powerful the Pinterest is, and how to do SEO in a Pinterest, right? I will just upload a video on this topic after this live session. But let's see how can you create a Pinterest profile and how can you upload a profile and get extra views, extra customer on your website. So let's see how can you create pin and boards for your Pinterest account. Very simple. You can see I have already some pins, right, in my board. It is just like a category. I created a printed category, uploaded 2 pins, 2 images there, right? Same goes for digital marketing. So you can create boards and pins, right? Now let's see how can you create pins and board for your profile, Pinterest profile. Very simple. You just have to click on this plus icon and click on pin, and from here it will ask you to drag any image you like. So I'm gonna go to my website and I will just save this image, save the image, and the image is saved already. I'll go to the Pinterest, I'll click on upload, and I will go to download section and I'm gonna upload that particular image. From here I can also upload it by dragging and dropping it here. Now you have to put the title. I'll just put the title, Canon Pixma G2020, and now you have to put a description, a good description, a detailed. After you put a description, now you have this option to put a link, and this is what we want. We want to put a link on a different website. So I will copy a link from here, from my website, and put it here to get a backlink from this one. I can choose a board, and I want to put it in the printer section, and I can just simply tag some topics like printer, right, or it is a Canon printer. It is just like a hashtags or tags, whatever you understand. Or maybe laser printer. That's all, and now I can click on publish. Now it says your pin published successfully. I'll click on view. You can see, I can see the stats here, how many impressions I have got, how many clicks I have got on this image on my website, right? I have 7 followers and all the descriptions are, if someone search printer, they will see my image, and once they see my image, they'll click on this image and they'll come to my website. Now from pinterest.com, I'm getting a link to my website, which is printkit.com. This is how you create image, PDF or video backlink. Simply for video backlink, you can create an account on YouTube, on Vimeo, any video streaming platform, upload your video there. Simple, very simple. Now if I talk about social media, I will not explain you because it is very easy to create social media account. Anyone can create it. When you create a social media account, create a page for your brand, put the link in the description, in the bio, and that's all, and start posting some valuable content related to your brand. Very simple. And there are other ways also to create backlink, and one way is like you can just post your website on a different website, on a directory website. Now what is directory website? Where you can find all the information of the related website. So after few days, my website is completely published on this website called lawyers.uslegal.com, and from here I have this backlink. If I click on website option, from here it sends me to my client website, which is miamistateattorney.com, right? So now I'm getting a backlink from this website. So this is how you can create backlink for your company, for your brand, for your service website. Now the question is how to index a backlink. Indexing a backlink is important because our motive is that Google find that secondary website, other website, they go to that website, they scan that website, and while scanning they find our link, and by clicking on that link they come to our page. This is what we want. So indexing is very important. So how to index a backlink? Why indexing of backlink is important? Because ultimately we want that Google come to that website, they scan that website, and while scanning they find our link and they come to our page, right, from that referral. This is what we want. So indexing is important. So how to index a backlink? Mostly it automatically index in the Google. It might take few weeks to index properly, but it will index automatically. But if it cannot index, or if you want to quickly index that backlink, so I have a two different method that will help you to index a backlink, right? The first one is the very popular one, very simple. The first method is very simple. Simply go to Google and search ping backlink, and just open any website and just simply, so let's suppose this is my page where I put the backlink. On this page, right, I'll simply put the URL here. I don't know why it is not loading, or I can use some different tool. Why this one is not working? Let me see. Let's try a different one. Google Indexer, this one. I'll paste the URL here, click on all search engines, I'll click on start ping. Now you can see they start doing the work. You just have to wait, and it will help your backlink to index quickly. Now this is the method one, but I have another method that is my personal method that I use to index a backlink. Is simply you need a second website. It should be your website, it should be a secondary website, and it should be indexed in the Google already. It should be like 6 months, 7 month old, and you just simply have to copy the link of your website and paste that link on your secondary website. So this is my secondary website. In this secondary website I'll put a link anywhere, right, because this is already indexed, and in index website Google keeps coming to that website to check if something new is there now, or if I have updated something new. They find that link, they'll go to this website ultimately, and they will start indexing this website also. So this is my second method, which is my personal method. Now the question is where to start. Always start small, right? Now you cannot simply wait for organic backlink. You cannot just wait for someone to reply to your email to get a backlink, because your website have zero DA. You just started a new website. No one will try to give you a backlink. So start creating your own backlink. Start creating small websites. Start creating backlinks by yourself. That will not affect your website like massively, like completely, but it gonna affect you a little bit, right? So start small. Create comment backlink if you find a very good relevant website. Create form backlinks, but try to avoid comment backlink if you find any spam website, right? Or same goes for the form backlink. But create image backlinks, video backlink, PDF backlink, social media backlinks. Create social media profiles. Put your website link in the bio, in the description. Create hundreds of web 2.0. So you have hundreds of list of web 2.0 website. You can create hundreds website on different platform, on wordpress.com, on blogger.com, on weebly.com, on like tumblr.com, like hundreds of them are there. Now you will start getting hundreds backlink for free, and that's a good start, right? Do not forget to subscribe this channel. I will upload one more live project about tourisms and how to create a lead generation website.